This is going to be funny. Hey everybody, this is Jason Benson. Today we're out flying the AGA Aircraft 105-inch Laser 230Z. This has been an amazing airplane. I've really been enjoying it. I hope you're enjoying the flight video as well as this talk through of it. We're using the Spectrum A6300 servos on all flight surfaces, Spectrum A6150 on throttle, and the Spectrum AR12310T power safe receiver. Powering everything, our Thunder Power RX batteries. We've got the 4000s on the receiver and on the servos, which I know is a little bit overkill, but I like to be able to fly 40 flights in a day if I want to. And on ignition, we've got the 2800 milliamp receiver pack by Thunder Power as well. The build of this plane was extremely straightforward, very easy. Everything comes pre-hinged. The rudder has a removable pin, so you can remove the rudder at any time, which is a very nice touch. All carbon fiber control horns on the surfaces. We ran Hanger 9 2-inch arms on all surfaces so we could select our length and get the amount of throw we wanted. I ran a push-pull on rudder in the tail instead of a pull-pull so that we'd have a little more tail weight because this is primarily my 3D plane. For power, we're running the DA 120 on standard mufflers with a Falcon 2810 prop and a Falcon 4.5-inch spinner as well. Power on this plane is amazing. I haven't weighed it yet, but I'm guessing it at about 28.5 pounds, somewhere in there. Go ahead and check the notes below. I'll get this weighed and put it in the description for you. As far as flight characteristics are concerned, this plane has not said no to me yet. It'll do Harriers, upright inverted, rolling Harriers, knife edge loops without having to gain too much altitude. The rudder authority is amazing. The amount of side area is really, really good for knife edge flight. For precision flight, this has been a really good plane as well. I took it to the first contest of the season here in the Southwest after having not flown IMAC for 2 or 3 years. Managed to pull a 4th in advanced. The plane performed flawlessly and is definitely a competitive airframe for IMAC flying as well. For the wings, I ran Tail Dragger RC MPX 2-servo harnesses, which make a single connection for your servos, so you can't reverse anything, and everything's a nice positive connection. I really like using those harnesses on planes with 2 or more servos per wing. For a complete list of the items used to complete this plane, go ahead and check out the description below and we'll have links for everything there for you. Hope you enjoyed.